Well, I think EV sectors in the next 5 years, it would have a mixed platform with hybrid and the IC engines and the EV. I would say that it would be a sluggish start for the EV, just because I think for the infrastructure to go to the masses, and then the cost effectiveness which needs to be addressed. I think India is, as of today, we are not all that ready, but we are doing a lot of work on that. And yes, I think in the next 5 years it would really catch up the speed in which we are getting the importance of EV. But I would say that it would be more related to 5 to 10 years from now for India, especially. Though the need to control the carbon dioxide emission is of a greater importance, but the readiness what we have as of now would really 5 years would be a short time, I would say. See, actually, this is the main question. It's a very interesting question. Today we have certain vehicles which have already come on the road and hit on the road for the EVs in the EV segment. I think people are not buying those. Cost is an important, and we in India, we generally ask two questions: "वो कितना देती है average?" and how much it costs. So I think, according to me, all the components which are being used to make an EV, electric vehicle, if we are able to increase the efficiency of these, for example, the battery, the motor, the computer systems which are there inside, if we are able to leverage the real essence of the engineering into it and improve the efficiency, I think the ROI which is the customer is looking will really pay off. Today, if you see, I am going to pay, say, a lakh and $50,000 for a two-wheeler electric vehicle, and it is going to die, for example, in 3 or 4 years, for example. But if I say that it's going to last you for 10 years and 10 plus 1 year, then I think there could be a decision where. So I think the efficiency of the gadgets, of the different components which are going to use, if those are being addressed, we can reduce the cost drastically. Oh wow! I think the event is good. I think we have, the ambience and the hospitality of Economic Times is good, and I think you're all professional guys. You really make the things happen correctly. I think especially the panel discussions are good. I would only say that you people are good, you people are better, and we all put together as a support for the customers or the suppliers and the partners like you. We should really go to still better heights by involving a lot of global leaders and partners into this, that how we can showcase our professionalism and hospitality to all these guys also, because that matters a lot, and we Indians are really appreciated for all these things. So I think to answer in short to you, I think it was really good. The ambience is good, the participation is good, the questions are good, the panel system, the discussion with the panels, it's just not a one-way talk. The discussions which go and all those things, it's good, actually, it's good.